What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 9:30 p.m.
How often do you drink alcohol?
I drink alcohol once a week.
Describe your clothing style in one word.
Inconstant.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
What was your major in university?
I studied teaching.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 4 languages.
What are you doing now?
Now I am having a conversation with you.
Can you cook?
Yes, I'm a very good cook.
How often do you brush your teeth?
Twice a day.
What are you going to do tonight?
I will be meeting up with some.
What did you do last night?
Last night I watched a movie.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
Tomorrow I will meet up with my best friend.
Could you lend me $50?
No, I don't even have $50 for myself.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Are you tired?
Not really.
Are you hungry?
I'm always hungry.
Are you a clean or messy person?
I think it depends on the day, mostly clean.
Do you have a temper?
I don't have a temper.
Is it okay for men to cry?
Yes, but not always.
What's your nickname?
Zara.
Have you ever been to Canada?
Yes, I've been to Canada.
How long does it take for you to get to work?
About 20 minutes.
How do you get to work?
Most days I walk.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, I do.
Are you often sick?
No, sometimes.